Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This wig review will be on Outre. This is their lace front Kailani, and I have her in the style, I have her in the color number 2. So if you'd like to know my thoughts on this wig, please keep watching. What this stock card looks like. As you can see, the model does have the baby hairs laying down. You can go in and customize those to your liking because they are, if I can find them, this is about the size or the length of the baby hairs. So they come about bang length. So those are optional to use as if you want, or you can put them just with the hair because they are so long, and keep it moving. So she also does have a little side swoop going on right there, and you may be able to see it on this color. It's there, just ever so slightly. This is the parting space. I think it looks okay. I would go right in the front here and open that up a little bit more, which is, let's see. So all I did was just go in, I tweezed a little bit in the very front part of the wig, and I just went through with my Ruby Kisses powder. You can get this from the beauty supply store for about $4.99, around that. And just open up the part a little bit, put that in there, and other than that, it's good to go. I do believe, in my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. I can stick my hand under there, and I have my adjustable straps. They are right next to each other, right in the middle. So I do believe that this wig is definitely beginner friendly. If you're okay with something that's short, I would say this is about 12 to 14 inches. And this is where it falls on me. This is how. So I showed you all the 360 of the wig. I believe I mentioned it before, but it is big head friendly. This is one I can go in and stick parts of my hand underneath of it. So it is big head friendly, and because that this is so short, more than likely this is something you're not going to have too big of an issue with tingling. So that's a plus side, especially if you're beginning out with wigs. Tingling is something that can deter you from buying a wig sometimes. So this is something that, yes, there's some that will be on your nape a little bit, but it's not that much. Therefore, just keeping maybe a comb handy, just comb it through lightly just a little bit, or even whenever you take this wig off, just go ahead and comb it through, so when you put it on the next time, you won't have to worry about any type of issues. So this is definitely beginner friendly in my opinion. So on that note, thank you all for watching yet another review. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next review. Bye.